Hello, Tiffany. Thanks for getting in touch with me through Alignable. This is Charles with Warley Digital. Here's my email address, my phone number, and this is my website. So I wanted to share with you 3 tips that can help you optimize your website and use it to draw more people. And why am I doing this? I'm doing this, first of all, because, like I said in the post, I have a little bit of free time and I wanted to share with business owners. I know business owners sometimes are very busy to go into what it requires to build this online asset that they have. And sometimes they may be confused with all the mixed up help that's out there. Um, I just wanted to give you 3 tips that you can utilize right now by yourself, or you can have someone, your website person, do these tips. And if you'd like to go along with me, that's fine. If you don't, that's all right. No harm, no foul. I'm hoping that whatever you learn from this, whatever you take from this, will help you grow your website. And another reason I'm doing this is because about 90% of adults use Google search for local services. Of those 90, about 70% do not leave the first page. They click on a business on this first page. So it's important to be on this first page. A lot of business owners don't see the amount of traffic they're missing by not being up here. And just as an example, I searched for accountant, Spartanburg, South Carolina. And this term, accountant, Spartanburg, South Carolina, is known as a keyword. This is what someone would type into Google when looking for an accountant in that location. They're probably ready to hire one right away. And like I said, 70% of people will stay on this first page of Google. All right, so let's take a look at your website. And the 3 things I want to talk about are content, citations, and backlinks. Content has everything to do with what's I've highlighted here, all the text, all the pictures, the words behind the text. For example, this picture, I can see that you've saved it as a whole string of numbers. It's more advisable to save it as a keyword, by intent keyword that Google can pick up. Google scours your entire site. Obviously, you can't see what pictures are, but it can tell what the text behind the pictures are. Google optimizes for about 1,000 to 1,500 words of text on your website. So if I was you, I would increase your text, make it more authoritative and keyword rich. What I mean by that is showing exactly who you are, what you do, the locations you service, and also saturating all of this text with keywords. These buyer intent keywords that people search for your business with. Also, saving your pictures. Make sure they're saved as these keywords. For example, this is a string of numbers. If it was rather saved as accountant, South Carolina, Google will more or less tell that your site is more of what this buyer, the person who typed in this keyword wants to see. This keyword wants to see. Second thing I want to talk about is citations. Now, citations have more to do with this part here that's known as the map pack. You have a map with 3 companies here, 3 businesses. Now, how to rank here all depends on citations. Citations are anywhere across the internet in different directories that your name, address, and phone number are stored in different directories, are cited in different directories. For example, Yext, Yelp, whitepages.com, yellowpages.com, LinkedIn, Better Business Bureau, all these directories. The more directories you're in and the higher quality they are, the higher you will rank on this map pack. And then finally, below the map pack, we have the organic search listings. Now, a lot of ranking on this side, in this section, depends on your backlinks. If you think of the internet as a whole collection of web pages, a backlink is where one website links or directs traffic to you, to any page on your site. Not all backlinks are the same. If you have an accounting forum in New York that's linking to you, through a blog post or editorial writing, that's considered a stronger backlink than if a ice cream manufacturer in Massachusetts was linking to you, because Google can tell those are two different niches, and it will hold one link as stronger than the other. It will consider one link stronger than the other. So once again, with the same tool, I am able to come in and I can tell that you must have a pretty young website, because I do not see a lot of backlinks. And if I take your competitor's website and I put it into my tool and I can analyze the backlinks that they have about 374 from 81 domains. And it's just a matter of going through their backlinks, finding out which are the strong backlinks that they have, making sure you can match them and even beat them by 50 or 100 stronger backlinks in order to dominate your competition. So it does take a bit of research, however, it is possible. One last thing I wanted to show that I hope you noticed over here, these organic keywords that your competition is ranking for. Now, they draw in a lot of traffic just by having, for example, accountants in Spartanburg, South Carolina, like we had seen 50 people search for that. They're in the 4th position and they're getting about 4 or 5 people. CPA, Spartanburg, South Carolina, about 40 people search for that per month and they're getting 6 people because they're in the 2nd position. Now, if you add up all the traffic that they're getting because they're ranking for certain keywords like tax services, Spartanburg, South Carolina, another 40 people search for that per month. They're getting barely 1 person because they're in the 10th position. So it's a matter of just going through your toughest competition, finding the keywords they're searching for, making sure they're saturated within your website, and then the whole combination of citations, of content, of backlinks will help your website grow stronger and stronger in Google's eyes, and you'll start to rank a lot more for all the keywords your competition is ranking for. Therefore, you'll get more traffic coming to your site. So those are the 3 things I wanted to talk about: backlinks, citations, and content. I pass this along to your website person or your SEO person. If you want to work with me, again, this is Charles from Wally Digital. I'd be happy to discuss partnering to help you grow your business. Thank you very much, and have a great day.